Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 series came up with a standard for premium Android tablet users, especially the Tab S8 Ultra, which we can call the best iPad Pro rival. As the unpacked event for Galaxy S23 series gets closer and closer, are we going to see the Galaxy Tab S9 alongside it? Watch out today's video to find out, and we're going to talk about what exactly we can expect from the upcoming Android tablet from Samsung. We had to wait for 18 months between the launch of Galaxy Tab S7 and Galaxy Tab S8, and if what rumors suggests are true, there is going to be the same sort of wait for the upcoming Galaxy Tab S9. According to report from the ELEC, Samsung pushed back the release date of the Galaxy Tab S9 series due to the global economic uncertainty. Also, we don't exactly know how long the delay might be, but who knows? We might be able to see it at the February 2023 Unpacked event along with the Galaxy S23 series. As usual, we can expect there will be 3 models of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, a standard model, a Plus model, and of course an Ultra model. The Ultra model has a huge 14.6 inches display, which is bigger than the 12.9 inches iPad Pro. It can even match lots of laptops. In terms of display upgrades, we want to see Mini LED in the upcoming Tab S9 Ultra, and for the other models an OLED display would be a great choice. Recently, most smartphones are coming up with improved brightness to ensure clear vision under direct sunlight. So, improved brightness is another important thing we want to see in the Galaxy Tab S9. Otherwise, we don't expect any radical changes in the design. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra came up with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset to deliver optimized performance, but still could not outperform Apple's iPad Pro. Even the latest iPad Pro equipped with Apple's M2 chipset, which delivers a solid performance. So, in order to beat the performance of the iPad Pro, Samsung needs to come up with a powerful chipset. If the upcoming Galaxy Tab S9 gets announced beside the S23 series, it's expected to come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. But we think even with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, Samsung might face a hard time beating Apple M2's performance. So, Samsung might come up with its very own Exynos chipset to compete with the M2. Above all these, the new Apple Pencil Hover feature on iPad Pro 2022 brings a marvelous performance boost productivity. And with the Galaxy Tab S9, we want to see a similar upgrade on the S Pen. In terms of the camera, Samsung needs to include an improved camera sensor. As you know, Apple always tries to provide outstanding camera quality in their iPad with some new camera features. So, to compete with the iPad Pro, the upcoming Tab S9 might come with an upgraded camera sensor to provide crystal clear images. Regarding battery life, Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 standard model has an 8000 mAh battery, and Tab S8 Ultra has an 11200 mAh battery. Both of them can run all day long, but while doing heavy tasks the battery life may differ. So, we do hope to get a bigger battery life in the Galaxy Tab S9 series compared to the Tab S8 series. In short, the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 might come with the Galaxy S22 series. But some reports say Samsung delayed the release date. Also, it's expected to come with an improved chipset to compete with Apple's latest iPad Pro. That's all for today, and as always, thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.